Hi guys, the latest ArcLinux Nemesis got a little script and we've developed it with AI. In the meantime, we've changed something more. So first of all, git pull, so you have the very last ArcLinux Nemesis. If you don't have it yet, git clone https //github.com/Erik Dubois /ArcLinux Nemesis. If you are, right, there it goes. On Arco, you just type get nemesis. That's it, get nemesis, and you have it. So basically, we have here now two nemesis in each other, and there is something new, ArcLinux Desktop. And in the meantime, I've changed the AI script again, and this is how it looks. Install desktops. It reads what's in here. Awesome, i3, leftwm, qtile, gives a nice column, right? And then you say with a space bar, I want that, don't want that, I want this, I want that, or well, yeah, why not? Or again, off, on, off, right? And then go for OK. And then it goes on and asks, well, it does what it needs to do, install this one, that one, that one, and that one after the other. How easy is this, right? This applies only to the guys that we've developed, not to anything else. But I've made another video about Herbst leftwm. It's never gonna go in the scripts. It's a workflow how you can get to do things like XD, for example. Let's see, XD is what we now have. We have Awesome, we have i3, we have leftwm, we have qtile, we have chatwm, with Plasma. And when we log out with a few scripts and a little bit of knowledge, and that's why the workflow videos are there, take control, right? Take control. There is the knowledge, there's the code, qtile, leftwm, i3, chatwm, awesome, and the Waylands, if they work, they won't. This one won't work unless you change a lot of things, and Plasma Wayland will work as well. There you go, a new script on ArcLinux Nemesis.